First, I'm showing you a plate of whole spices that will flavor our yakhni, the beef stock. We have 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 3 to 4 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 2 to 3 black cardamoms, 1/2 teaspoon peppercorns, 1 tablespoon whole coriander seeds, and salt to taste. These spices will give our pulao that deep desi flavor. In the next plate, I've prepped 2 whole garlic bulbs, 7 to 8 green chilies, 2 medium onions, and a medium piece of ginger. These will go straight into the beef to make a flavorful stock. Now I'm taking a pressure cooker and adding 2 kilograms of washed beef. Then I'm adding all the whole spices and fresh ingredients we just prepped. Pour in water, just enough to cover the beef. Once it starts boiling, cover the cooker and let it pressure cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the beef is fully cooked and tender. Now I'm straining the stock and setting the beef pieces aside. We'll use both separately in a bit. Next, I'm heating 1 cup of oil in a large pot. Into that, I'm adding 2 sliced onions and sautéing them until they turn soft and translucent. Then I add 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Give that a good sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm adding some more whole spices, 2 star anise, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, a pinch of mace. Sauté these for a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon black cumin, 1 teaspoon white cumin. Let everything toast nicely. Now I'm adding 3 sliced tomatoes. Cook them until they're soft and fully broken down. Then I'm adding 2 to 3 dried plums, 2 chicken stock cubes, three to 4 green chilies, and 1 cup of yogurt. Sauté for another 2 to 3 minutes until the oil starts separating. Now I'm adding the strained beef stock into the masala. Add extra water according to the amount of rice you're cooking. I'm using 1,200 grams of rice, so I'm adjusting the liquid accordingly. Let's bring that to a boil, and now I'm adding powdered nutmeg, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander, 1 tablespoon crushed black pepper, salt to taste, 3 dried lemons, and a few fresh lemon slices. Once the broth is boiling, I'm adding 1,200 grams of soaked rice. I soaked it for 30 minutes and drained it. Now sprinkle on 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Give it a gentle stir, not too much, we don't want to break the grains. As the water level goes down slightly and the rice starts peeking through, I'm placing the beef pieces right on top. No mixing, just layer them gently. Cover the pot and steam dumb for about 15 minutes on low heat. And here it is, our beautiful beef pulao is ready. The rice is fluffy, each grain separate, and the beef, just look at it, incredibly soft and juicy. Perfect for your family, guests, or just a comfort meal at home. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. I love seeing where you're all tuning in from. And if you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me and let me know how it turned out. Please subscribe to my channel for more easy desi recipes straight from my kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.